Okay, hello guys. I'm gonna be doing a review on this product called the Jamaican Mango and Lime, okay, Black Castor Oil, okay. I'm gonna be doing this review because I've been using it for almost a year, okay. I bought this from eBay, and before I bought this, I actually watched it on YouTube, and it was very popular on YouTube. I mean, a lot of people have actually give thumbs up on this Jamaican Black Castor Oil, saying that it will grow hair wherever you want to. You put it on your eyebrow, you put it on your forehead, you put it on your beard, your goatee, and sooner or later it's magical. It just grows hair. So, out of all the oil out there, everybody keep on saying that black castor oil is the best. So, I have problems growing my beard or growing my goatee or growing my mustache. So I had problems growing my eyebrow to get dark or get thicker, because my eyebrow was thin. And I had problems with my temple, my hair temple, So this was my beginning of getting of experiencing the start of using something to get your hair thicker, darker, you know what I mean? So when I started using this, I was, going crazy on it. Like, every day I use it after I take a shower. I use it, I use it morning, I use it at night, you know what I mean? I use it on my eyebrow first to see if it actually grew. And to tell you the truth, it was not effective at all. I was very disappointed. The only thing that it was doing was making my skin eyebrow look oily, And I noticed that a month goes by and my eyebrow was still the same. It wasn't growing, it wasn't changing, it was the same. And it was not effective. And I guess people out there who are using the castor oil, who's actually boasting online, especially on YouTube, saying that it's growing, it's awesome, it's effective. I guess their skin is different from my skin. I guess I wish I could be that lucky, so like that I would have had my eyebrow dark, way back. But black castor oil is not for me. They said that it was about last year. Use black castor oil with onion juice mixed with this and that. It's gonna help. I tried that too, and to tell you the truth, it's not working. So I have 2 bottles of castor oil. So what do I do with it? Whenever I take a shower, or I want to like my beard, you know what I mean? I want to make sure that it's not dry, or like my skin is not drying, you know what I mean? I want to make sure that I can dab this castor oil on my hair or my beard, so that it looks fresh, you know what I mean? It looks fresh and it looks good. That's it. But do I expect that the black castor oil is going to actually help my hair grow? Not so. It's like using hair gel, you know what I mean, to make your hair to structure your hair, or to style your hair to look in a certain way, and it shines, it looks good. And I guess I'm thinking about black castor oil the same thing as that, So that's my review on black castor oil.